Preparing the bathroom and choosing the right equipment. Toilet training doesn't begin with words, it begins with space. A calm, predictable bathroom setup can help your child feel safe and ready long before their first success. There is no one size fits all potty. Here are the most common options. First, floor potty chair, great for toddlers who need their feet on the ground. Second, toilet seat insert, fits on your regular toilet and feels more grown up. Third, child-sized toilet with flushing, helpful for advanced learners if available. Let your child try both if you are unsure. Many parents use both in different settings. Whether your child uses a big toilet or a potty chair, foot stability matters. A small step stool gives support, balance, and helps your child relax enough to pee or poop. In some homes, children learn to clean with toilet paper. In others, water or a faucet is used. Choose the method your family uses and prepare for that setup. The important thing is to teach it clearly, one step at a time. Keep your child's bathroom space simple and supportive. Try to include first a visual routine chart, a step stool or floor potty. Third, wipes or faucet access. Fourth, soap and towel at child's height. This helps your child feel more independent and less overwhelmed. If your child is sensitive to sounds, sights, or smells, you can reduce noise, use dim lighting, or flush after they leave. A calm environment makes toilet time feel safe. Spend 30 minutes today getting your child's bathroom ready. It doesn't need to be fancy, just consistent and clear. You are telling your child this space is for you. When your child feels safe in the bathroom, they are already a step closer to success. A few small changes now can make a big difference later.